What's up guys, welcome to the vlog, welcome back to another awesome video. I'm currently here at Tempe and on approach to platform 1 we have the last Pacific National operated steel train to Brisbane. The run number is 2WB3. With NR97 leading. In total, there are 49 wagons on this service, with the possibility of picking up more in Enfield. Maybe. Just a few more to go. Again, I've chosen this station to film this train because one, it's got a crossover to go onto the Bankstown line, goods line, and also because of that it has to do a crossover, go over the points, and obviously it's going to have to travel quite slowly, and so I've elected this station because it travels slowly through Tempe because it's such a long train. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I'm here to film here at Tempe today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye for now.